John Carlos Nieves Rodriguez, 27 years old. John started working at McDonald's at age 15 to help support his family and was recently made the manager of a check cashing store. He purchased his first home this spring so that his mother could live there too. He loved to escape to the beach, though his best friend called him a big teddy bear who was happy when everyone depended on him.
Dianca Deidre Drayton, 32. Dee Dee was an employee of the Pulse nightclub who had overcome struggles like a long-ago car accident and a more recent bout with drugs. She resumed attending church and writing poetry.
Brenda Lee Marquez McCool, 49. She was a loving mother to 11 children. She survived cancer twice. She loved salsa dancing, which she was enjoying with her gay son, Isaiah, whom she shielded from the gunfire.
It's time to stop the bleeding.
Let's show the world that love conquers hate.
Love conquers hate.